This is our latest electric desk. It is 48 by 24. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the black. It does come in a bunch of different colors and different kind of finishes. Love the fact that, of course, that's metal. You can hear that it's steel on both sides. Really nice, sturdy feet that it's standing on. And of course, pièce de résistance right here. You've got the motor and that little computer here. Presets, you've got 3 different presets. This is how you save your presets. Of course, you can go manually, so I can go up and down just like that. And if I just press once, I'll be able to come back down to my preset that I've chosen for my sitting position. Then my higher position, my standing position, I can have it. And look at that, how silent, how smooth, no jerky movement. It can withstand a lot of weight on top of that. So of course you can have a computer, whatever you want to have on there to work, no problems whatsoever. And the really nice thing is the cable management, only one cable coming out of there from the motor. Again, motor super, this is how high it goes. This is crazy high, 48 inches high like that. You've got holes for your cables, of course, if you've got some, and I'll bring it back down, if you've got some computers and printers and things like that on top. And they also, and I didn't install it just yet, they also give you a nice little drawer that you can literally not attach, but screw in. So you have a nice drawer for maybe you want to have some more cables in there or whatever knickknacks that you don't want to have on top of your desk. But again, love the fact that I've got 3 different positions. So of course, if there's multiple people in your household and you've got different standing desk positions, there you go. Love it, super, super nice. Listen, this is going to fit in any type of office, any type of studio. Wow, so convenient.